Hare Krishna to everyone. In this video, we are going to learn something amazing. And in today's class, we will be learning about future continuous. So, इसी के ऊपर हमारी आज वीडियो रहने वाली है future continuous. Let me tell you what is the helping verb for it. The helping verb of future continuous is will be. Shall be is also there, but in English speaking, we will use only will be. Now, let's take some examples. Like, मैं आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा हूँगा. I will be teaching you English. The second example, आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ रहे होंगे. You will be studying English. Okay, now let's understand the rule of this particular tense. The rule is subject. You already know there are 8 subjects. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, they. So we will use will only with everyone. Will be. Okay. So subject plus will be plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus etc. Now, let's understand the negative rule also. First, let's take some examples. मैं आपको इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँगा. I will not be teaching you English. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ नहीं करना. नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए सिर्फ will be के बीच में not लगाना है. Will not be. Okay? Like, let's take one more example. आप गणित नहीं पढ़ रहे होंगे. You will not be studying maths. Now, let's take one more example. And the example is, मैं बाजार से सब्जी नहीं खरीद रहा हूँगा. I will not be purchasing vegetables from market. Another example, let me give you to explain everything. हम आज पढ़ रहे होंगे. We will be studying today. But अगर हम इसी को नेगेटिव में बोलें तो हम बोलेंगे we will not be studying today. Okay, now let's understand the interrogative rule with it. That is the question mark rule. Here we will use the will helping verb just before the subject. कैसे? क्या मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँगा? Will I be teaching you? Okay, this example is enough to understand it. क्योंकि यहाँ पर सबसे पहले will को लेना है, उसके बाद subject plus be plus verb में ing plus object. Okay, let's take the example of second interrogative now. मैं आज क्या पढ़ा रहा हूँगा? What will I be teaching you? Okay, the answer is I will be teaching you future continuous as I told in the starting only. Okay, now इस रूल के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ WH वर्ड जो आपके सेंटेंसेस में आते हैं, क्या, क्यों, कैसे, कहाँ, कब, उनकी इंग्लिश सबसे पहले लिखनी है. WH वर्ड लाइक व्हाट, व्हाई, व्हेन, वेयर. ओके, आप कहाँ पढ़ रहे होंगे? वेयर विल यू बी स्टडिंग. आप कैसे पढ़ रहे होंगे? हाउ विल यू बी स्टडिंग. ओके, these examples are enough, I think. But in writing, whenever you are writing the future continuous, you are translating the sentences, don't forget to put the question mark in the end. This overview is enough to understand today's class. I will be there with future perfect by tomorrow only, and I will be explaining you so many facts there. Till the time, tada, bye bye, take care, and thank you so much everyone.